Ayan, tapos na po
Hello.
kami.
Tapos na po kami sa consulate. Nakuha na po namin ang aming marriage contract na dalawa.
Ayan, pupunta po kami ngayon ng sa simbahan pala. Sa St. Joseph. At dito na kami dumaan sa Hong Kong Park.
Ayan.
So anong lesson mo ngayon, kapatid?
Our lesson for today is how to find the St. Joseph Church. This is my first time to go there by walking
Here.
here in Hong Kong Park.
Para ma-enjoy natin ang view habang papunta ng
Kaya
simbahan.
nga.
Pero hindi pa yung mga fountain, wala pa.
Wala pa. Hindi pa yata in-open. Pero maganda, may santan na banda, di ba?
Oo, pulang-pula.
Oh, kaya nga, hanggang dito din pala. Akala ko
Sa
only
Pinas
in,
lang.
only in the Philippines.
At kahit itong halaman na to,
Kaya
di ba?
nga, oo.
Yeah. Wait, we don't have to start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late. This morning, let's take our time. Everybody needs a break, right? Sometimes I wait for just an hour more. What's the rush? Who's calling? Who's calling? I won't ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, we know we can pull it from the window pane. Can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday.
Oh, it's there.
Darling, a lot of fish is down there.
Yeah. Oh, there's a lot of fish.
Turtle.
Did you see the turtle?
Yeah, I see that.
There's a lot of fish there over there. You see? Oh?
Oh, the turtle is there, on the rock.
There's another turtle.
Mabait sigurong nanay nito, tatay.
Can you see hi this vlog? Can you see hi?
Bino ka, bawal.
What had it draw?
This
one.
video,
This
camera,
video,
say
can you
hi.
see hi. Hi. And then can you see your name?
Wag na.
Maano siya?
Oh, there you see the turtle on the rock. So cute.
Yeah. I don't want to go.
Oh, she doesn't wanna go. She doesn't wanna go. Oh, sumama ka sa St. Joseph. Sige, mahulog ka dyan, kapatid. Grabe. Grabe niya.
Hanggang siya ikiking ko ba ito? Wala dyan extra mo.
Di dugay naisip tan kataon dalan. Kaya lang nasabi ang tisa kay Uros. Wala na.
Wala na ang misa niyan, 11:30 to 6.
searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come.
Saluyot ba yan? Saluyot to, saluyot.
We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land.
Maganda yung bulaklak niya, oh, nag-iisa.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah.
Doon pala tayo dapat, bababa tayo sa hagdan. Dito,
Savannah.
nawala na.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be
Pwede rin naman doon, kaso lang, maghahagdan ka.
the beauty of the world, Savannah.
Aray.
Let's all take a walk.
Ganda ng toilet dito, may hintayan. Finally, out of the...
Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah.
Oh, sarap! Ang sarap ng hangin.
Dito tayo kapatid.
Dito,
Tatay tayo dito.
nasaan ang daan? Ba't walang daan? Ayan oh.
Ito yung sapit, di ba?
Kaya nga, sa kapuntang simbahan.
Ito na ang mga kabaluyan ko. Ay, gatang susurog kapatid. Gata dyan, eh. Dito tayo daan. Huwag kang papasok dyan. Basta pagandal ka dyan.
Finally.